I'm here in Gibraltar's Upper Town, ready to cook some delicious new recipe for you. So get your cheesy shirts, call your friends, and hop over to a barbecue because I've got a recipe for you. So grab yourself a bag of frozen prawns and pass these into a large bowl. Get some fresh white fish, make sure it's a tough one, and slice it into big chunks. Then pass these into the bowl with the prawns. Cover everything completely with some coconut milk, soaking every little ingredient, and if you want, keep it in the fridge overnight. Pick up a fresh pineapple and slice yourself some chunks. Make sure though that you remove the center because that's going to be tough. Then pick up some skewers and lay out all your ingredients, pineapple, fish and prawns, to fill up those skewers completely. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut on top. Then all you need to do is pass these skewers onto a hot grill, making sure you cook each side for about 3 minutes until cooked and charred. Finally, serve these with your friends and dig in. Cheers!